Sec 1 G3 2024 WA3. In the first sum, we are given that the number of cars sold in 2023 decreased by 23%. We can draw a diagram showing that 2021 was at 100% and it decreased by 23%. So the 77% in 2023 represent 30,184. So to find 1%, we take 30184 divided by 77, and then we multiply by 100 to get the number in 2021, which is 39200 cars. In the second sum, we have a hire purchase, and when we do hire purchase, we will draw a diagram to show that the cash, which is 699, is divided into the deposit 15% and the balance is 85%. So the first thing we do is to find the balance, which is 85% of 699, and this gives us 594.15. Once we find the balance, then we can find the interest, and the interest is at 3% per year and for 2 years. So we take the balance multiply by 3% and multiplied by 2 for 2 years. First 24 months will be 2 years. And this gives us $35.64. So now, to calculate the monthly installment, the monthly installment is what we have not paid, which is the balance and the interest. So we take the balance plus the interest and divide it by 24 months. So this will give us $26.24. In the next sum, we have a sum on speed. So for a sum on speed, it is good to draw a diagram to show the distance, speed, and the time. So Jasper cycled at a speed of 18 kilometers per hour for a certain distance and for 2.5 hours. We changed all the time to hours. He rested for 15 minutes, which is 15 over 60 hours, and continued to cycle for 6.5 km at a certain speed which we do not know. But he took 20 minutes, which converting to hours again is 20 over 60. So the distance for the first part, using the formula, speed is distance over time. So to find the distance is the speed times the time. So the speed for the first part is 18 and the time is 2.5 hours. So the distance for the first part is 45 km. So the total distance is 45 plus 6.5, which is 51.5 km. Next, we need to find the average speed for the whole journey. So therefore, we need to find the total time. So the total time is 2.5 plus 20 over 60 plus 15 over 60. That is altogether 3 and 1/12 hours. So now we can find the average speed for the whole journey. We need to write our statement, which is total distance 51.5 over 3 and 1/12. And this works out to be 16 and 26 over 37 kilometers per hour. Next, we need to convert 18 kilometers per hour to meter per second. 18 kilometers per hour is 18 kilometers over 1 hour. So to change kilometers to meters, we multiply by 1,000. To change hours to seconds, we multiply by 3600. And this gives us 5 meters per second. In the next sum, we have another sum on percentage. The increase is in price is 3.75 minus 3.4, and which gives us 0.35. So the increase in percentage is the increase over the original, which is 340, multiplied by 100%. And that gives us approximately 10.3%. And this must be given in 3 significant figures. This second part is on foreign exchange. We are given that 1 Singapore dollars is 0.68 euros. The cost of the bag is in euros. So to find the number of Singapore dollars, we take the euros divided by 0.68. That will give us the number of Singapore dollars. And that gives us 4117.65. In the next sum, we have a bag, and inside the bag there are X blue marbles and 3X white marbles. This is the quantity of numbers of marbles, and 2 blue marbles is added to the bag and 2 white marbles is added to the bag. Then when we take the ratio of the quantity, it will be 5:14. So we are to form an equation. Now the actual quantity is this, the number of blue marbles over the number of white marbles. This is the ratio of the quantity, and the ratio of the quantity gives us the reduced ratio 5:14. So by writing the ratios as fractions, we can form our equation. So now we cross multiply. and we have 5 times 3x plus 2 equals to 14 times x plus 2. Okay, that gives us 15x plus 10 using the distributive law, and 14x plus 28. So 14x is positive, move over is negative. So 15x minus 14x is x. 10 is positive, move over is negative. So 28 minus 10 is 18. So this is the value of x. The next sum is on angles, and we have to find the angle DBC. DBC is this angle here, and since there are parallel lines, angle DBC is just 48 degrees, and they are corresponding angles. The parallel lines are AE parallel to BD. Find the angle AED, which is this angle here, AED. Now, ED and AB are not parallel, so we cannot say that we can find it using the parallel lines. So what we need to find is the angle A, because we are given that triangle AFE is an isosceles triangle. So what we can now write is 2A plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle sum of triangle. That gives us A is 50, right? 50 degrees. So now if A is 50 degrees, then the angle AED plus A is equal to 180 degrees. This is adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, that gives us A is 50, angle AED. So angle AED is 130. Is ABDE a parallelogram? Now, how do we show that? So we already found that angle AED is 130. So if we take 130 plus 48, right, angle AED plus angle EAB is not equals to 180. In fact, it's equal to 178. So we need to show the working. Need to show the working. Right, so it is actually equal to AED is 130 and EAB is 48, and this adds up to 178. Right, so the angles add up to 178 and not 80. Therefore, they are not interior angles. And the ABDE is not a parallelogram. Right? Now we move on to the next sum. Here we have a hexagon and a rhombus. And we have to show that angle ABC, which is this angle here, is 140 degrees. Now when we draw a line, we divide the angle into the exterior angle for the hexagon, and we can call this angle A and this angle B. Right? So the angle A is the exterior angle, and is 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. And the angle B is simply equals to 80, because these are corresponding angles. BC parallel to XY, because a rhombus is a parallelogram. Therefore, angle ABC is A plus B, which is 60 plus 80, which gives us 140 degrees. Now, so 140 degrees. ABC is the interior angle for the new polygon. So if we want to find the number of sides of the new polygon, then we find the exterior angle. So the exterior angle of the new polygon is 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. So now we can find the number of sides. So the number of sides, which is n, is just 360 divided by 40, which is 9 sides. In the last sum, we need to construct a triangle ABC. So what we can do is this sum we have to construct a triangle ABC. Given the side AB is 6 cm and BC is 8 cm, AC is 4 cm. We begin by constructing the side 8 cm by taking the measurement from the ruler and transferring to the point B. Then we draw an arc of 8 cm. Then we take the measurement of 4 cm from the ruler and we transfer it to the point A and draw our arc of 4 cm. This is our point C. So now we can join the point to A and B. This is the point C. Next, we are required to measure the angle ABC. So we use our protractor, move over to the point B, and we measure the angle ABC, which in this case is 29 degrees. Right? So this is 29 degrees. And that we have to label the sides. And this completes the construction. Thank you.